What's up guys, Eric from Beat Sonic. Today I'm here at ACC Air Runner again. I just can't get enough of this place, you know. I just kind of keep coming back here, and they've been taking care of our customers, doing the amazing installs for the front camera, the smartphone mirroring systems, and also the navigation and DVD motion bypass. And today we have here a Lexus GS once again. This is the F Sports model. Pretty cool color. Blue color is kind of rare. And Shin here has already started installing the front camera. He's doing the wiring for it right now, and after that he's going to be mounting his custom bracket onto the front bumper, and then we're going to be working on the inside, so we'll go from there. So there's the monitor coming off. Microfiber towels to ensure nothing gets scratched during this process. He's already been good, but he's getting really good at what he does now. I think he did maybe about 200. That's the goal for this year. Yeah. Shin wants to do 200 Lexus GS before the year end. So Shin here is preparing the phone mirroring system. There's some harnesses that you have to put together prior to install, because it also includes the navigation and DVD motion controller, in addition to the phone mirroring part of the adapter. This is the additional component that is sold separately that you must bring to the day of the install, the Apple HDMI to AV adapter. Recommend you purchase this on Amazon, as it is a little bit less expensive on Amazon than the Apple Store. All right, the front camera is now connected and it's ready now to be tested. Wait, make it a little bit straighter if you can. Okay, right there, stop. Right there is good. It's good to go. We just finished installing the front camera and smartphone mirroring interface on this Lexus GS. It's pretty cool. We're just gonna do a quick demonstration over here. So as you can see, here's the wire that's coming out. This is for your iPhone. Here you go. Okay, I gotta pick the aux. Go to external. Okay, do we see it right there? We go expand. And there it is. Phone being mirrored. Look sideways. Placed on YouTube videos. Showing. Very, very cool. And then at the same time, if we press the front camera button, a new button that we have over here, it's tucked away very nicely. We see the front, so when we park the car, we know exactly where to park it, where to stop it, and we won't be messing up our front lip. Especially if you have a body kit, it's very, very useful. So let's go for a quick drive. Another thing about this phone mirroring system, it continues to work while the vehicle is driving. So like whatever you want to mirror on the screen, it'll show. A lot of people like to use like the map application, such as Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, and any other map applications. Alright, so we're here at a parking lot. As you can see, I'm gonna check out the front camera over here. We just engaged the front camera. We're about to park, and we'll know exactly where to stop. Why? Because we have this front camera now. And coming outside, look, great parking because of this camera that you see over here. Alright. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks Shin for installing the front camera and the smartphone mirroring system on this vehicle. It's worth the drive to come over here and get the product installed by Shin. He knows what he's doing. He's always making these custom brackets. He's done many of these vehicles, and his goal this year is to do 200 Lexus GS. 200. So if you could be one of the 200, it'll make him very, very happy. Yeah. All right, thanks guys.
Okay, see ya.
Up, down, up, down.
On the volume?
Yeah, volume.
There you go.
So, so one thing that I really like about the system, it's ease of use. It's just pretty much plug and play. Looks really great on the screen. Can't beat it. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Finally have it. My birthday's next week, so.
Happy early birthday.
Exactly, man.
How about the front camera?
Front camera, oh man, that's gonna be a godsend. I had a previous car and I jacked up the front lip. Man, it's gonna be a game changer. Now I can pull up without worrying about damaging the freaking front lip of the car, especially this car that I really like. So, thumbs up, man.
Awesome. Hey, you're amazing.